Turmeric benefits. There's a reason it's known as a spice that is super. Turmeric has been utilized in South Asia as a cure-all for a huge number of years. Today, people from worldwide are including turmeric to their diet plans to treat belly, skin, liver, gallbladder, and kidney dilemmas. Turmeric can also be used to treat depression, headaches, bronchitis, colds, severe discomfort, fatigue, lung infections, itchy skin and recovery after surgery. Therefore, what are the ongoing health benefits of turmeric? This spice that is effective used to fight such chronic health issues. This includes inflammation, reducing your threat of cardiovascular disease, brain infection and enhancing wellness that is digestive. 1. Prevention of brain disease. Turmeric has been proven to help reduce brain disease risk. Curcumin has also been studied for use in preventing and Alzheimer's, that is dealing with illness. Evidence implies that curcumin might impact brain function, therefore the growth of dementia. Moreover, curcumin may be effective in delaying or brain that is reversing and age-related decreases in mind function. This occurs by triggering a growth hormones into the brain that helps spur brain mobile development that is brand new. And you can find early indications that turmeric can enhance your memory also. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. If you'd like to get a grip on inflammation, turmeric may do the key. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful agent that is anti-inflammatory. In fact, research reports have shown the anti-inflammatory properties of curcumin match some of the prescription medicine that is strongest. Nevertheless, curcumin comes with no general unwanted effects. Swelling is really a denominator that is typical chronic health issues such as obesity, heart problems, cancer tumors and Alzheimer's infection. And where there's irritation, there's discomfort. Meanwhile, another study revealed that rheumatoid arthritis patients who took curcumin for 2 months reported less joint swelling and tenderness compared to those who took a common medication that is anti-inflammatory. 3. Increased digestive health. Turmeric is certainly used to aid soothe stomach pain, relieve constipation and control bowel syndrome that is cranky. Much more, its anti-inflammatory properties can decrease your possibility of developing ulcers and remove system irritation that is digestion. This is why turmeric can help with building a range that is wide of disorders such as, for instance, IBS, Crohn's disease, and diarrhea. 4. Lowered risk of heart disease. Turmeric may reverse actions into the cardiovascular disease process by improving the purpose of the lining of your bloodstream. Hence, this helps control your blood circulation pressure, blood clotting as well as other facets vital to heart health. Research in addition has found that seasoning meals with turmeric will help lower your body's cholesterol levels that is bottled. Also, initial studies also show that curcumin may lessen the range cardiac arrest bypass clients had after surgery. The best benefit tip of consuming turmeric is most of the people prefer drink turmeric milk every day before sleep at night, which help them to stay in good health day by day.